Europe weather forecast, March 22, 2025. A powerful weather system is set to impact large parts of Europe, bringing heavy rain, strong winds, and significant temperature changes. Northwest Europe. UK, Ireland, France, Germany, Scandinavia. A deep low-pressure system near the UK will drive strong winds exceeding 70 km per hour and widespread rainfall across Ireland, Scotland, and Western England. By midday, this storm moves towards the North Sea, bringing heavy rain and gusty conditions to Denmark, Germany, and the Netherlands. Meanwhile, Scandinavia remains under high pressure, keeping the region cold and mostly dry, except for coastal Norway, where scattered showers will persist. Southern Europe. Spain, Portugal, Italy, Balkans, Greece, Turkey. A developing Mediterranean low will bring thunderstorms and heavy rain to Italy, the Adriatic coast, and parts of Greece. The Balearic Islands and southeastern Spain will experience gusty winds and scattered showers, while Portugal and western Spain see cooler, cloudy conditions. The Balkans and Aegean regions will see increasing cloud cover with occasional showers, while Turkey remains mostly dry under high pressure. Central and Eastern Europe. Poland, Ukraine, Baltic states, Russia. A strong high-pressure system dominates Eastern Europe, ensuring calm, dry conditions across Poland, Ukraine, and western Russia. However, cold air advection will bring light snow showers to parts of the Baltic states and northeastern Poland. Severe winds and heavy rain in the UK, Ireland, and France. Cold and dry conditions dominate Scandinavia and Eastern Europe. Thunderstorms and heavy rain for Italy, Greece, and the western Mediterranean. Scattered showers and gusty winds for Spain and Portugal. A rapidly changing weather pattern is expected, so stay updated with the latest forecasts.